Hello everyone, my name is Makayla and welcome to my room. I thought in this video I would show you my living space and how I have maximized it because it's kind of small, but I have loved living here so much. I have been living in this room for the past 2.5 years here in Ecuador, and in a couple of days I will be moving. So I thought I would show you my room before I pack it up. So let's take a little look. I am so excited to show you my life. Okay, so first things first, this is my bed and it's been a 9 out of 10 for comfort. I love the mattress and I put all of these fluffy blankets on it because I love fluffy things. On my bed, I have some plushies and they all have a special meaning for me. For example, this plushie dog is the first plushie my boyfriend bought me for my birthday. So, very special. Can we just take a moment for the hair today? It's giving lioness. This is my bedside table. I have my TV remotes, some fluffy headbands, my Kindle for reading at night, some random chocolate from Christmas, and in here I have my essentials as well. Beneath my clothes here, I have some storage. Here is where I store my books and notebooks and folders, information. And down here, I have my shoes. Around my room, I also have loads of photos because I love to capture memories and keep them here. I also have some more pictures of my family and friends in England. These are my grandparents, my mum and my brother, my friends, and my dog, Coco, and my grandparents again, because they deserve 2 photos. And I also have some bigger pictures of myself, my boyfriend, and his family. Okay, now let's look at my desk. This is my desk. I have a lamp and I love it because I can change the brightness like this and turn it off here. This is my secondary lamp. In case we lose power, I can recharge this one. So it's good for me to use it in a power cut. In this bag here, oh, I can't open it. I have my cables and connectors for different electrical items. This is my charging stand for my phone, my Apple Watch, which is on my wrist, and my AirPods. In here, I have more cables and connectors, but this is my travel case. So if I travel, I just take this small one, not the big one. I have a little notepad and pen, my laptop, my glasses case with my glasses inside it, like that. My water bottle, some important little bits like elastic bands, and these are some pins as well, so those are very useful. And in here I have some notebooks and paperwork and my headphones, and here I have some polos which are mints, and I have some makeup brushes, nail file, and some other accessories and makeup. So that's what's on my desk. But something I love about my desk is it has a drawer. This drawer is a lifesaver for me. I often write on this surface when I have my laptop here. Here I just have some random items. I have my camera memory card, but I am still waiting for my camera to arrive. So I have the memory card, some headphones, notebook. This underneath is my recording device for making music. It's a mini 8-track recorder, and I have my iPad and some other notes. Above my desk, I have my perfumes, mirrors, random birthday stuff I have received over the years. My cocoa. One of my friends in England bought me this, and sadly it's a little bit damaged, but love him. And some more perfumes, and these are like little makeup remover pads that are reusable. I try to use reusable makeup remover pads because I try to protect the environment. And wait, I have a fabulous desk chair that spins, and that's my desk area. Over here I just have some bags and suitcases to move my stuff, so there's not really much I can show you there. But here I have my TV on the wall, and the great thing about this TV is I can pull it out. Let me show you. Like this. So I pull out the TV to watch it, and when I am finished using the TV, I put it back. Ta-da! Beneath my TV is where I store some of my daily makeup, my daily bag for when I leave the house, a nice picture from when I was in SeaWorld, Florida, when I was 9 years old. This was my mum's from when she first went to Disney World, and I just love it. It's so creative. And here I have some of my skincare essentials. I use a lot of Kyle's and Clinique products. And in this bag, some more makeup. And in here, at the moment, I'm keeping jewelry in here. I do have a mirror, but I'm cleaning it, so. And my mum gave me this. It's a turtle made of wood. Love that. And my calendar. This here is my wardrobe. I would show you inside, but the clothes will fall out. I have too many clothes and not enough space. And here, even more clothes space. Wait, you thought we had finished? No. What's in here? This is my Makayla plaque, and beneath it we have a secret door where I keep more makeup, hair, and skincare essentials. As you can see, I use quite a lot of products. I will definitely miss having this storage space because it's been so useful for keeping all of my cosmetics and skincare products together. So that's my room tour. I will definitely miss having this quiet little space, but I'm really excited to be moving because I will have more space. I will have more room for a bigger closet or wardrobe, and I will also have a bathroom and shower in the room as well. So I look forward to showing you my new room, perhaps in a few days. I love making these videos to help you feel more confident when listening and speaking English. So if you would like more content like this, don't forget to like the video, share it with an English learning friend, and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what your favourite part of your house or apartment is. I look forward to reading them. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!